Hey guys, um, this is um, this is Aravind. Um, you might have heard about random numbers in our course. Throughout the course, we will be doing something with games, and I think when you hear games, it's all about rolling dice, playing cards. These kind of games involve random numbers, and I guess random numbers and its and expressions concerning random numbers have been frequently brought up in our course. So I thought I could go a bit more with random numbers, but I would like to introduce something with arrays. Arrays are quite, as you know, in other programming languages like C, or even in engineering languages like MATLAB, it's quite easy to use. I wonder how you would do it in Python if you are a beginner at the moment. So I thought I would introduce you that. Okay, let's see. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C would be 3. Let's say random or without okay, as simple as that. For you to give you a very clear sorry, this is from my paste. I wanted to give a square brackets which is absent in my Mac keyboard. So D 1 A comma B comma C, and you want this to be printed. So A is equal to 1, B equal to 2, and C, which is stored in a one-dimensional array, in this form. So D, okay, array, to easily understand Python. So now let's finish this topic and go a bit more. You might have heard again a okay, let's type rand1 is, instead of random.randint, you want to choose a value between 1 and 10 and print rand1. Similarly, you want to do for rand2, which you want to choose something between 11 and 20, and you print that. And rand3, 3, 21, and 30. So you want to store these three random numbers again in rand array equal to, okay, I copy this square brackets, rand1 comma rand2 comma rand3. This is pretty easy for now, but I will tell you when it gets more and more complicated as the number of, okay, we are using rand, so understandably you have to import. So you see, for every click new numbers are generated and it is stored in the array. Cool. So what would you do if there are like 100 random numbers? And you want to frequently store each of these random number in an array. No, there is a new function called rand. Instead of doing it this way, you can use a loop here, but what you can do to also is to declare this at the beginning as an empty matrix, like how you call here. It's nothing, so we remove these ones here. Okay, print rand array will give you an empty value, null, and here print rand array dot append of rand1. Now, yes, now you do this again, and then if you want to now print rand array, just print rand array. You don't have to declare. This process will remove the complexity associated with multiple variables, and at the same time it stores just one single all values are stored in one single array without declaring. Okay, this is rand array dot append rand2 again. We update this rand array. Let's see what happens here. You see, this is what is from here, and here you remove this and remove this and see what happens. The first random number is 1 and second random number is rand2. Similarly, we copy this here, rand3. We update this with rand3. How does that sound? You might find it useful if you are having still even more number of random arrays and declaring this within a loop like while or for. I hope if you find this useful. If you hadn't, I hope you had different methods for solving such things. But okay, bye. I hope you enjoy the day.